Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram call ringtone. So before we begin with the steps, one thing you have to note down is that the steps may vary on Android devices and iOS devices. In Android devices, there are certain setting options through which you can change ringtone and notification sounds individually on the applications. However, such settings are not available on iOS devices. So, what you can do on iOS devices is that launch settings, then go to Sounds and Haptics option from settings over here. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on the option of ringtone that you see over here. Okay, here we go. Now over here, you will see the default ringtone of your iOS device. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see other various options. Now choose any of these options if you wish to. So this ringtone that you choose will be applied for Instagram ringtone as well. You can also go to Tone Store. Now from here, you can go to music and then you can purchase various music over here, and then you can set that specific song or music as your ringtone for your iOS device or Instagram calls as well. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.